I'm Wongster 1970. Today I'm going to be taking apart this Dolphin Premier by Matronics. Something is wrong electrically with this unit. It will run for a while, then it will just stop. So it's a number of years old. I'm just going to take it apart. This cable here is not even a season old, so I'm going to be selling that. Let's see if I can sell some of these parts off too. So let's get to taking this apart. I'm just going to start taking screws out. I did this part once before, but I forget exactly how this comes off. I think this piece comes off separately. I'm not entirely sure. Off. I'm going to take these two screws out of this clamp. I gotta get a pair of pliers to take that off. This should just turn out. I thought this just pulled out. That's just how that comes out, like that. That was still sealed. That out of the way. I'm going to take the filter assembly out. Next I'm going to be taking the filter out, release these two latches. Move that up and out of the way. Take this side cover off. Get this off. These aren't going to come off, are they? Looks like they will. Take this side apart. It might have been why it didn't want to turn. It still spins. like that should come off. This is tight. I don't think it's supposed to be that tight. I think I've had this apart once before. That's heavy. Anywhere. Anyway, that's the motor assembly. I'm not taking it apart. Set that out of the way. Excuse me. Let me get a screwdriver so I can take this cover off. No, maybe I don't need to. There, it came off. Let me take this belt off. Don't know what holds them in. Something like that. Looks like that's got a piece broken off of it. So does that now. Stink bug. That's basically it. That's everything out of the Maytronics Dolphin Premiere. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.